Well, good morning. Thank you very much. It's an honor for me to be here today for this very important occasion, and I congratulate you who's made this event possible. Our special guests, kasama po natin from the Department of Trade and Industry, Undersecretary Carol Sanchez, also from the DTI, Undersecretary Cristina Roque, from the Department of Tourism, Undersecretary Sherin Pagdibuan, from the Department of Foreign Affairs, Undersecretary Eduardo Vega, from the Department of Budget and Management, Undersecretary Marco Salcedo, from the Department of Budget and Management, Undersecretary Wilford Wong, Department of Agriculture, Edwin Juniper Desalo, Pangasinan, Governor Ramon Kiko, from the NFA, Deputy Admin Mario Andrada, COS Peter Ricardo, the founder of SciTech, Dr. Mina Galon, from the Export Chair William Cole, from Philippine Export President Sergio Ortiz Cruz. Of course, we have ambassadors from Pakistan, Ambassador Ijaz Kazi, from the UAE, Ambassador Mohammed Obaid, from Brunei, Ambassador Megawati Manam, from Iran, Ambassador Yusef Ismail Zadeh, from Malaysia, Ambassador Dato Malik Estevino, from Argentina, Mr. Leandro Weissman, of course, representatives from the Embassy of Myanmar, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Norway, China, Thailand. Good morning. All our exhibitors, experts, foodies, tastemakers, guests, pleasant morning to all of you and welcome to the 17th installation of the IFEX Philippines. Before anything else, I would like to thank all our friends from SciTech for graciously extending invitations to exhibitions and trade expositions like today. It's my honor to be part of this event, and I congratulate the SciTech. We work very hard. Dami ko makita sa mga events nila. Nakakatulong talaga sila sa food exporters, food-related industries, lahat po nakakatulong bagay ng SciTech. I congratulate. Today, as a